Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. What if I told you that one simple change could transform your health? Cutting out processed foods for just 30 days can lead to incredible changes: better energy, weight loss, reduced inflammation, and improved digestion. But is it really that easy? What actually happens to your body when you stop eating processed food? Let's break it down week by week. The first few days might be tough. If you're used to eating processed food, your body craves the sugar, artificial flavors, and additives. You may experience headaches, mood swings, fatigue, and intense cravings. This is your body detoxing from chemicals it's been overloaded with. Your gut bacteria also start to shift. The harmful bacteria that thrive on processed food begin to die off, making way for a healthier gut microbiome. By the second week, your energy levels increase and brain fog begins to clear. Without constant blood sugar spikes and crashes, you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Your digestion also improves and bloating becomes less frequent. Studies show that people who switch to whole foods experience reduced inflammation and improved cognitive function, helping with focus, memory, and even mood. By week 3, your metabolism is working more efficiently, and your cravings for processed junk are nearly gone. Many people notice weight loss, especially around the belly, since some processed foods cause bloating and water retention. Inflammation levels in the body also start to drop, reducing joint pain, improving skin health, and lowering the risk of chronic disease. By the end of the month, you fully adapted to a whole food diet. Your skin is clearer, your digestion is stronger, and your immune system is functioning better. Long term, this change reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. Research shows that cutting out processed foods for just 1 month can significantly lower inflammatory markers and improve overall health. So what should you eat instead? Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods: fruits, vegetables, proteins, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to thrive.